Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 30th, 2024, and we've got a lot to cover. From Tesla's Supercharger network expansion challenges, to Cybertruck safety concerns, and even the Menlo Park Police Department's experience with Tesla patrol cars. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's kick things off with Tesla's Supercharger network. Despite Elon Musk's announcement over a year ago to open the network to non-Tesla electric vehicles, progress has been sluggish. With nearly 30,000 fast-charging plugs in the US and Canada, many potential users are left frustrated due to software and hardware issues. Concerns are growing that Musk might be reconsidering this decision, as it could benefit rival automakers and impact Tesla's declining sales. In a bid to address these issues, Tesla's charging unit has ramped up production of essential adapters. A factory in Buffalo is reportedly producing 8,000 adapters weekly, with additional production from outside suppliers. However, the timeline for distribution to electric vehicle owners remains uncertain. Tesla has not commented further, and other automakers are cautious, likely to avoid conflict with Tesla. This delay underscores the ongoing challenges in the EV market, particularly regarding charging infrastructure. Now, let's turn our attention to the Tesla Cybertruck. A recent incident in Harlingen, Texas, where a Cybertruck caught fire after colliding with a fire hydrant, has raised safety concerns. This marks the second documented fire involving the vehicle in less than a month. The fire reportedly ignited after the impact ruptured the battery pack, challenging the Cybertruck's reputation as an indestructible vehicle. Earlier this month, another Cybertruck fire occurred in Baytown, resulting in a tragic accident. Investigations are ongoing to determine the cause, whether it was related to a medical emergency or the crash itself. Despite the perception that EVs are less prone to fires than gasoline-powered cars, these incidents suggest a concerning trend. The Cybertruck's design and safety features are now under scrutiny, particularly its battery protection during off-road use. The implications for Tesla's reputation and the Cybertruck's marketability remain to be seen. Lastly, let's discuss the Menlo Park Police Department's pilot program with Tesla Model Y vehicles as patrol cars. The program concluded with mixed results. While the Teslas were appreciated for their acceleration and speed, they were not ideal for police work. Concerns over officer safety, limited off-roading capabilities, and insufficient space for equipment and personnel were noted. The pilot, part of Menlo Park's Climate Action Plan, aimed for carbon neutrality by 2030. The Teslas were modified for police use at a cost of $102,752 per vehicle. Officers reported challenges with the vehicle's smart features, including restricted weapon access and automatic locking issues. Despite these challenges, the department plans to continue using the Teslas while exploring better electric patrol options. The pilot highlighted the need for modifications to Tesla's systems to better suit police operations. The city is also considering purchasing a Chevrolet Blazer electric vehicle for police pursuit, expected by early 2025. This program has provided valuable insights into the feasibility of electric vehicles in law enforcement. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Remember, you can find links to all the stories in the episode notes. Join us next time for more updates on Tesla and the world of electric vehicles. Until then, stay charged and drive safe.